What's going on YouTube? Jerry's All American Carpet Cleaning here, coming at you with another carpet cleaning video for your viewing pleasure. And we have a good one on the books to start off the day, man. We got a 4-bedroom pet treatment package that we're about to start, and the homeowner just purchased her home about 3 days ago. We actually cleaned her mom's house before, and she knew that once she purchased her home, she wanted us to come out and do a wonderful job for her as well. So we appreciate her thinking of us to come out and perform this pet treatment package for her. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy these before and afters, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.
All right, so we got a client today who's asked us to come into a new property she just purchased, and the previous owners had pets. They've asked us to come in and do our pet treatment package on this property, and as you can see, it's heavily soiled. What you cannot tell is the smell of pet odor that is heavily permeating throughout the property.